Look, this is a lamp. But it's not just a lamp.
Introducing the Orchard Magnetic Modular Lighting System. This device is built by a unique 7mm magnetic dual track and multiple sensory modules. It allows you to adjust the light intensity with a wireless magnetic knob and enjoy continuous 65-watt high-power output that based on latest gun technology. Say goodbye to powering off troubles. Rotate to the other side. Just a simple wave, you can change the ambient light module modes.
Yeah!
8 modules for you to choose from. Zoom the light. Rotate the light. Free to DIY and enjoy the fun bring by the light. How could we have fun without music? Let the light move with the sound for an immersive experience. The 24-volt low-voltage design ensures safety and easy handling. The fully rotatable fan module offers coolness, illumination, and atmosphere. Made from aluminum alloy, it is stylish and versatile, decorating various space with diverse aesthetic sense. Patterned 4-way rotating plug overcomes the space limitation. It is simple, cool, and awesome. Delight your own space, designed for you.